Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix LinkedIn work anniversary not showing. This is a common issue that prevents your network from seeing important career milestones, so let's get it sorted out. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as we'll need access to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores all the controls for how your profile appears to others and what notifications you receive. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several categories. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your LinkedIn activity and what updates get shared with your network. It's a crucial area for managing your professional presence on the platform. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is where LinkedIn lets you control what updates your connections see, including job changes, work anniversaries, and other profile updates. It's important to check these settings regularly to ensure your network stays informed about your career progress. Inside that section, look for and click on Share Profile Updates. This specific setting determines whether key changes to your profile, like work anniversaries, get broadcast to your network. When this is turned off, your connections won't be notified about these important milestones. Now here's the key part. Make sure the toggle button beside Share Key Profile Updates is turned on. If you see that it's already on, then you're all set and your work anniversary should start appearing. However, if the toggle is off, that's why your work anniversary isn't showing up. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled work anniversary notifications on LinkedIn. Your network will now be able to see and celebrate your career milestones. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.